everyone. For a triangle ABC with sides little ABC and opposite angles big ABC, respectively, B equals 120 degrees, and the sides form an arithmetic sequence, we're going to find the ratio of the sides. So first I drew a little picture here. So we have ABC. I let, since B is 120 degrees, that means the side opposite is the largest side. Since side AC is longest side. All right, of the triangle. All right, so therefore, since the three sides form an arithmetic sequence, we can let AB side equal A, BC equal A minus D, and AC equal A plus D. So basically what we're doing is we're letting this be A minus D, and the longest side would be A plus D. And think about if you wrote out a sequence, your first term would be A minus D, then A plus D. Because with arithmetic sequences, you keep adding your common difference. So that makes sense. All right. So now that we have that, we're going to use the law of cosines to solve. So here's a law of cosines. So this is our largest side. So we start with that, and we're going to use A plus D squared equals, then we use this one, A minus D squared plus A squared minus 2 times these two. So that's 2 times A minus D, and then we have times A. And then also times cosine of 120 degrees. All right, so let's fix this up a little bit. This is going to be A squared plus 2AD plus D squared equals, this part here is going to be A squared minus 2AD plus D squared. And then we still have our A squared here. I'm going to go ahead and just copy this, minus 2A minus D times A times 1/2. All right. So what happens is we're going to have this A squared plus 2AD plus D squared. All right. Now, this part here, the 1/2 is going to cancel the 2. So this little bit here is going to be, when you distribute, let's just go ahead and write it. A squared minus 2AD plus D squared plus A squared. And this is going to be, since the 1/2s cancel, minus A squared plus D squared, right? All right. Now, this is going to end up being, let's see, A squared plus 2AD plus D squared, and this is going to be 3A squared minus 3AD. This should be AD. I knew something was wrong here. So AD. And then we'd have minus 3AD, then plus a D squared. This one right here. All right, now solving for this, we're going to solve for this equation here, and this is going to give me 2A squared minus 5AD equals 0, because these D's will cancel. Therefore, we'll have, let's factor out an A. We'll have A times 2A minus 5D equals 0. And since A cannot be equal to 0, we have 2a minus 2d equals 0. I'm sorry I'm squeezing this in, but then we're solving for d. So basically, oh, there's a 5d. So basically, your d equals 2 divided by 5a. That is your common difference. So now all we have to do is figure out the ratio. So let's do that. Our d equals 2 divided by 5a, common difference. Now, we had a minus d. That's going to be a minus 2 divided by 5a. All right, so that's your first term. Remember that. So that equals 3/5 a. All right. And a plus d, that was that longest side. That's going to be a plus 2/5 a. I'm just substituting everything in. This gives you 7/5 a. And then we have a is going to be 5/2. So basically, we have 3/5 a for the ratio now. 3/5 a, and then we have 7 divided by 5a. So that means your ratio is going to be 3 to 5 to 7. All right, when you divide everything by a. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.